Hi there guys, welcome to my matched betting method video tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you the basics, and so what a back bet is, what a lay bet is, talking about the betting exchange as well as bookmakers, and yeah, giving a worked example throughout. Just a warning. The worked example will be completely different to the one I have on my Learn Match Betting page, just because I'm using real time odds, so yeah, it's going to be different. Okay, to start off with, a back bet is a bet that you place at a bookmaker. So this will be Paddy Power, for instance. This is where we're going to place our back bet. So let's say, for instance, that Paddy Power are offering us bet £10, get £10 free offer. This means that we have to bet £10 of our own money and we'll get a £10 free bet, which we can turn into real withdrawable cash. So, what we have to do with match betting is we place a back bet, which is this. It's just your ordinary bet at a betting bookmaker. And you also have to place a lay bet. Now, a lay bet is slightly different. A lay bet is something that you place, a bet that you place at the betting exchange. And so what it is you're betting on something not to happen, whereas with a back bet, you're betting on something to happen. So, for example, here, we'd bet on Panama to win. That is betting, we're saying that Panama will win. However, if we're going to lay Panama here, we're going to say that Panama won't win. Yeah, so we're taking someone else's money. We're taking £10.13 of someone else's own money, and we're saying that if Panama win, we'll pay you the winnings, which in this case is £6.08, because it's £10.13 times 1.6. So their winnings is £6.08. And we're basically saying to that other person, yes, you can bet on Panama to win, but if they don't win, we're keeping your £10.13. If they do win, we're going to pay your winnings of £6.08. So, for our qualifying bet, we're going to use Panama versus Haiti. So what we're going to do is we're going to back Panama to win at 1.57 using our stake of £10, because it's a bet £10, get £10 free. Our potential returns is £15.71. This means if Panama win at Paddy Power, we'll make a £5.71 profit, although we'll lose £6.07 from betting exchange, because we said Panama won't win, and the other person who bet with us that Panama will win will get their £6.07 in winnings. So yeah, all I did was just put this into the calculator, so 1.57 for the Paddy Power odds, and 1.6 for the lay odds at the betting exchange, and it came up with these numbers. So if we take a look at our worked example for a qualifier bet, we've put £10 on Panama to win at 1.57, which is a £5.70 profit, and we've laid £10.13, meaning we've taken someone else's money, taken £10.13 of someone else, and said Panama won't win. And if Panama don't win, we make a £9.62 profit at betting exchange, because basically what happens is that we get that £10.13, and the way Betfair make their money is they charge a 5% commission on all profits. So £10.13 minus 5% is £9.62 in profit. So what will happen in every scenario? Well, if Panama win, the £5.70 profit that we make at Betfair is smaller than the liability at the betting exchange. So if Panama win, we'll make a £5.70 profit at Paddy Power, but we'll make a £6.08 loss at the betting exchange, because we have to pay out the other person their winnings. So this means that it's a 38p loss, because £5.70 minus £6.08 is minus 38p. If Panama don't win, then we lose the £10 stake that we bet to Paddy Power, because our Paddy Power bet didn't win. However, we keep the other person's money, because we laid Panama, we said Panama would not win, and we keep their £10.13. However, we take away 5%, so it's £9.62 profit, which means that it's £10 minus £9.62, which gives us a 38p loss. So then we can move on to our free bet. So what I did earlier is I looked for a decent one, and I found Levadia Tallinn versus Crusaders. So the odds at Paddy Power are 4, and the odds at Betfair are 4.3. So if we take a look at that again, yes, it's still 4, and it's actually gone. Okay, it's not quite 4. It's probably about 4.2, which I've already got on here. And yeah, so we type that into the calculator. The bookmaker odds, so Paddy Power odds are 4, and the Betfair odds are still 4.2, because that's where the £85 is the majority of money. There's only £2, so our £7.23 stake won't be covered. So what we do, if we look at the worked example on our free bet, so we have £10 free at Paddy Power to spend on Crusaders to win. This will give us a £30 profit if Crusaders do win, because we don't get the stake returned. However, it's 10 times 4, so it's £40 minus £10 minus the stake, because they don't give us our free stake, just for profit. So we have our £30 profit winnings if Crusaders win at Paddy Power. On the other hand, we had to lay £7.23 that Crusaders would not win. So this gives us the winnings for the other persons. If the other person we bet with at the exchange, if Crusaders do win, is £23.14. So if the Crusaders do win, we have to pay out the other person £23.14, because that is our liability and that is their winnings. So if we take a look at our worked example, so this means if Crusaders win, we make our £30 profit at Paddy Power. However, we also laid Crusaders at the betting exchange, which means that we said they wouldn't win. However, they did win, so we have to pay out the other person who bet that the Crusaders would win £23.14. But that's okay, because we made a £30 profit at Paddy Power. So if the Crusaders win, we make a £30 profit at Paddy Power minus the £23 loss at Betfair, which gives us a £6.86 profit. And the reason why we make money on both scenarios is because we're not actually using our own money at Paddy Power. So if the Crusaders don't win, we don't actually lose any money at Paddy Power, because that's £10 free just given to us. So it's £0, and we make £6.87 profit at the betting exchange. So that's a £7.23 lay stake minus 5%, because the Crusaders did not win. So we keep the other person's money. We don't have to pay them anything. So that's £7.23 minus the 5%, which gives us a £6.87 profit. So yeah, that's how we do match betting. So if you want to read more on it, then there's another worked example here on Man United versus Sunderland. If you have any more questions, then please contact me on my phone number. It's at the bottom of the join page. If you're still struggling with a betting exchange, I have a separate betting exchange page. I may even do another video just explaining betting exchanges. And yeah, also if you can also contact me on Facebook if you have any questions. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.